Hello friends, myself Neeraj Sharma in IT department, Biani Group of Colleges. On behalf of Guru KPO, I am presenting on my topic web server. So first of all, we should know about what is the web server and how web server is doing the work in particular applications. We can say that web server is basically the client server architecture. In client server architecture, basically it's a middleware. We can say that it is managed front end and back end part. So in front end, if we are getting some requests from one front end part and we just want to manage it and want to pursuing to the back end, so on that time we can use the web server, particular web server. We have different languages in application, software application. So particular application is supported to the different servers. Like we can say that Tomcat Resin web server is supported to the Java, and IIS web server is particular supported to the .NET, and PHP MyAdmin supported to the PHP web server. So we can say that different languages is basically supported in different way to the web server. We have different services also which is supported to the web server. So different services, particularly services we have to be first run, then after that we can execute the application. Friends, let's discuss about how web server is, what is web server and how web server is working. So first of all, we should know about that what is the web server basically. So it is a program that uses HTTP protocols to serve the files in form of web pages to the users. We can say that if we have a HTTP protocol should be used inside the particular file which can be execute particular web pages for the users. In response to request, we can say that which forwarded the HTTP clients means the HTTP clients is sending the request to the particular web server, and web server will be executed, and after that it will be forwarded to the particular databases. So we can say that it is follow client server model also. So client server model is basically based on request and response model. So the request will be get from the client and it will be response to the particular client also. It is useful for host the websites also. We can say that different type of websites we can hosting by using of web servers. Friends, in further discussion of web server, we can discuss about the particular Java application. We use the Tomcat web server. So Tomcat is a particular type of web server we can use in particularly execute the application of Java. It is a type of web server which is referred to the Apache Software Foundation. We can say that Apache company is basically introduced this type of web server where we can execute the web services and we can get the information from users by request. Again, we can say that it is deploy servlet and JSP for Java projects. So we can say that we can, if we want to deploy some applications, so on that time we can use it, the Tomcat web server. We use the WAR files. WAR file is basically like as jar files, but for web applications we are using and executing the WAR files, and we deploy WAR files into particular Eclipse software or particular we can say that tool we can use it to execute it. We use WAR files to execute a web application. After that we can say that it is used for folder structure. So basic folder structure we follow in particular Tomcat series. Friends, let's discuss about the folder structure of Tomcat. We can say that first of all, if we want to deploy the application, so on that time we should have the web apps folder. Web apps is the basic folder where we can build up or deploy our project. After that we have the JSP and servlet part. So JSP and servlet, if we want to deploy, then we should be deploying particular web apps folder. So we can say that another folder is into the web app is called web-inf. So web-inf is in particular capital letters should be there. So web-inf is basically another furtherly divided into the classes and lib folder. Classes basically have the all classes execute servlet files, and after that we are getting servlet files executed, and then on that time save with the classes folder. Web.xml is basically used once only in particular project. So we can say that it is not rebuilt again and again. So in whole project we have the only one web.xml. In lib folder, basically the library files, the jar files, if we want to add, then we use the lib folder on that time. Friends, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and visit our website gurukpo.com. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.